Hello, Mario! We've done 50 basic 2D CAD videos, site plan 15, vehicle turning 3, hopefully the last in the series. So we'll get into our particular plan that we want to work on. Here it is here, and will give us all of the setup that we're going for. And just a little recap from where I was last time. You might notice that I've made these here a little bit thicker. We're in paper space there, so I'll just go to model space. And what I've actually done there is, if you notice over here, there's a global width. And I've made a global width 25. That's just to make these stand out just a little bit more. And at 25, it gives them a nice 25 millimeters, that is. Actually, they're wide. You could, if you wanted to, have a situation where you could actually make them the width of the tyres to give you some sort of realism, but 25 mils is fine just to give the idea. They're just sort of tracking curves, giving an indication of where the car might go if when you track it out. So we've just got one tracking out of the garage and down our driveway. So as I say, I've selected all those there. Oh, that one's not. Selected that one there, and if they've got the global width there of 25. I think I've just got it tracking on one hit at a time, or there. So you can select them all. Oh no, all of them sort of plussing. So yeah, just those ones. So they're the vehicle tracks, and then the outside tracking of the vehicle, just the smaller line, like so. Alright, so that's got the turning in there. One of the things I said I was going to do was to update my my footpath and my driveway, and in particular I wanted to have some more footpaths. So I'm going to go to the driveway layer. So there's the driveway layer there. We'll just go to the one hit there, and I'll just hit the driveway layer there, and we'll make that, double click on driveway. Does that work? Oh, double click here, and that should make it current. So that's the current layer. Alright, so I want to just offset 2 meters here from the brick line to put a bit of a line through there. I see I've got my driveway there as a 25 mil. I don't know that I did that in my previous plans. I don't think I did. So I just have a look at the driveway. It's supposed to be on. Am I in? Oh, I'm in paper space, so I need to be in model space, and I need to be having my driveway layer. My driveway layer there. That needs to be my current layer, which it is now. But I just do want to have a look at the layer properties of that driveway layer, and just to see it's got a line weight of 0. Which is sort of what I wanted, unless I've changed it. No, that's all good. So let's come out of there like that, and there it is there. That line weight is showing as 0.25, so that might have been overridden for some reason. Oh, it should be by layer. So I don't know how that's happened, but I think it might be easier just to leave it like that. It actually looks quite good there, and quite a nice strong line like this here, this one here, dimension here. Right, so okay, so I'm going to draw, obviously in the driveway layer, I want to draw a line from, I need to turn my snaps on, there's my snaps coming on now, and I need to draw a line from there to there. That's not quite what I wanted. It's going black there, so yes, from there to there, and then from there through to there, and then I'm going to offset each of those 2 meters, or yeah, that was probably the easiest. O for offset, and 2000 millimeters, which is 2 meters. Pop that there. I'm going to slip that line, and I want to put one out there, and I want to put that line there, and I want to put one out there, and then I want to delete these two here, that one, and delete that one, delete, and that one there, delete. Okay, and then I'm going to lengthen those dynamically, L-E-N for lengthen, D-Y for dynamic, and I'm just going to pop that one out to there like that, that one out to there like that, and this one here down to here like so. That's how I had them. Alright, and I'm also going to draw a line here, which goes from there into the house, perpendicular into the house, and then gets moved from there to, not quite there, to that corner. So that gives me a nice big concrete area out in front of my sliding doors, sort of a entertaining area, whatever. You can choose yourself with that, have a different sort of area if you want, but do be careful. So I'm going to fillet that now, and it's asking me, I'm going to do a radius, and I'm going to do a 2 meter radius, and I'm going to put one there and there like that. No, I don't like that. I'm going to undo that and just go, I'm just going to go fillet 2 meters too big. I'm going to go with 1000 millimeter radius, or 1 meter radius, which is probably a bit better. Just a nice little curvy bit in there. Oh. Nope, I'm still not happy with that. So let's go here to fillet and go R for radius, and it's still at 2000, so I need to go 1000, enter. Now I'll need to there and there, and that looks a bit better. I'm also going to go enter again, which should repeat the deal, radius and 1000, and I'm going to go there and there, and that also trims it up as well. So if I go there and there, I don't know whether this is going to, no. Okay, so now I'm going to do, I'll do another fillet again, and radius, and I'm going to go with 1000, and I just want to go there and there, and oh, that's really cool. See how that trims it all up, and it's all done. So that's a little path that I wanted to put in around there, finish off my vehicle tracking. I might actually put another fillet in the back here as well, fillet. So just go, oh, well, I wonder if the radius has stayed as 1, so I can, oh, there we go. So that's put that in there like that. So some nice paths in there with a little curvy effect around the house, and my car can drive in and out. So that's pretty much it for the car manoeuvring, and I've tidied up my driveway. I would like to put the rooms in the house names and that. The street name perhaps needs to be tidied up as well. But that's to be done. But next, I think we might look at some of the service courts and things. So I'm just trying to do all of the design elements, get them all in there, and then we can start looking at finishing the plan off. So we're getting pretty close. We've surpassed 50, but I'm hoping that we'll get by in under 60. All good? Cheers! See you!